Let me guess. For some reason, no matter what you do, your essay just keeps coming out boring, unoriginal, basic. How do we solve this issue? Simply level up your takeaway by subverting your reader's expectations. Let's try this out. 3 sentences. Let's use the Common App essay that helps get my co-founder into Yale as an example. First, use a pun or wordplay. My dad's not rich in capital, but in character. Incredibly simple, super effective. Look for words with double meanings. The second technique, be a movie director. Throw in a plot twist. He had a promising career, but he threw it all away to be a stay-at-home dad. The third step, connect your story to society at large and challenge the status quo. Stories like my dad remind me that value comes in forms other than a 6-figure salary. Your essay should advocate for a better world. Now go blow your reader away. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.